Why in the back?
Dia berangkat apa je?
Alright.
Kalau tepat. Kata.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cek. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ta'alaina nikmataka wa syur alaina min khaza'in rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay, now today we're going to learn about what is it? It's about grammar. Present perfect simple versus present perfect continuous. Before I explain to you in detail, I want you to watch the video. Pay attention.
That's what I've been doing. What's the difference? Let's look at this question from Juan.
I want to know what is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous.
Sometimes they can be very similar. I've worked at the BBC for 8 years. I've been working at the BBC for 8 years. So here, both sentences are correct, and they connect the past with the present. But let's look at 5 differences. Using the present perfect simple emphasizes that an action is complete. It has an effect on the present, but the action has finished. Someone has eaten my chocolates. They're all gone. Using the present perfect continuous emphasizes that the action is ongoing. Someone has been eating my chocolates. There's only a few left. The action may continue in the future. We use the present perfect simple to focus on the result of an action. I've chopped the onions, what's next? So the result is the onions are ready. We use the present perfect continuous to focus on the doing of an action. I'm not crying, just been chopping onions. So here, the focus is on doing the action itself, the chopping of onions. So doing this action made me cry. We also use the present perfect continuous when we can see some evidence of an action that happened a short time ago. The action is completed, but we can still see the evidence. I've been cooking all day, so the kitchen's a mess. We use the present perfect simple to focus on how many or how often. Rain every day this week. I've had 4 coffees today. We use the present perfect continuous if the focus is on how long. Often with phrases like all morning, all day, for ages. It's been raining all day. I've been drinking coffee all morning and I'm still tired. Careful though, state verbs we don't normally use in the continuous. I've been knowing Beth for 3 years. I've known Beth for 3 years. And finally, we use the present perfect continuous to emphasize that a situation is temporary. I broke my leg, so I've been working from home lately. Okay, so that was Fran's question, but we want to hear from you. So send us your questions to our email address.
Got it?
No.
Tasty. A bit, right? A bit, yeah. You got the gist of what the difference is between PPS and PPC. But don't worry, I'm going to explain it to you again, okay, in detail, using this website. Yeah? If you have any question or you do not understand, you want me to repeat, please raise up your hand and ask me. Okay? See here? Okay, present perfect simple or present perfect continuous. Okay, completed or continuing event. Which one is for past completed actions?
Yes.
Is this topic boring?
Yes.
No. Even if it is boring, you have to? Yes, very good. I need nothing. Okay, warning, warning. Look at this, warning. The present, the PPC, is not normally used with verbs that refers to actions that are completed at a single point in time. The meaning is verb. What we call this verb as punctual verb. Punctual verbs. You cannot use punctual verbs. Cannot use punctual verbs. What is punctual verb? Verbs they are finished instantly or quickly. For example, start, finish, arrive. Again, start, finish, arrive, stop. There are a few more, but I give you an example. Okay, this is the starting point of a marathon. You know what marathon is? Okay, this is the starting point. This is the finish line. Okay, for the start. Okay, to start a marathon, you need a long period of time.
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Come on. Where have you been? Toilet. Okay. Sit down. Take your time. Okay, to start a marathon. Let's start marathon macam mana? Orang guna pistol kan? 1, 2, 3, go! Pistol start. Awak start tak?
Tak.
Lama ke nak start tu?
Tak.
Sekejap je kan? Start satu saat. Lepas tu awak akan what are the notes here? Right. Start in a sentence only. That's what we call punctual verb. Meaning, dia perlukan masa sikit sangat. Contoh minit, awak lari, right, you running, and then you cross the finish line. How many hours do you need to cross the finish line? 30 seconds only. Kan? Itu maksudnya punctual verb. Tambah lagi, you understand?
But yet.
Not yet. You understand or not?
Yes.
No, be honest. You know. Okay.
Why you don't?
Ini adalah dipanggil punctual verb. Kenapa dia adalah punctual verb? Verb yang berakhir dan bermula sangat cepat, singkat. Kalau awak start nak start kan? Nak start perlu masa berjam-jam ke nak start? No. Awak just start. Berapa saat je awak dah start kan? Lepas start awak buat apa? Berlari. Berlari ni yang lama ni. Kan? And then kalau nak finish, sekejap je awak just finish line awak just cross kan? Then you finish. Dia berakhir instantly. Itu what we call as punctual verb. Itulah maksud dia. Masih tak faham?
Faham.
Okay, apa lagi punctual verb? Finish, start, stop, arrive. What the meaning of arrive? Sampai. Okay, this is your house. Okay, awak nak balik kampung ni awak lah dalam kereta awak This is your car and this is you inside your car. And then you drive the tuk-tuk. Sampai. Berakhir.
Right.
Verb tu dah berakhir. Berat. Sampai. Yang lamanya apa? Driving. You drive for a long time and then you arrive. Arrive to the verb tu. Ambil masa sekejap. Satu saat, okey dah sampai. Kan? Masih belum faham?
Faham.
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 Dia verb yang sekejap dah ambil masa. Dia tak banyak verb macam ni. Dia ada beberapa sahaja. Okay? And also, you cannot use PPC. You cannot use what we call as stative verb. Ingat tak apa ni? What are stative verbs?
Tak ada physical action.
No physical action or what we call as mental verbs or sense verbs. And mental verbs are things like know, like, understand, believe. It's all in your brain, your mind. What about sense? Sense. What is sense? Money, hear, smell, taste, see. Kan? You hear, you smell, you see, you say. Okay, that's the sense verb. But these are all stative verbs. You don't see the action. Sebagai contoh mental process versus sense verb. Okay, you cannot use what? PP? BBC, contoh yang dia bagi. They haven't been knowing each other for very long. This is wrong. Because which is the verb? Is it sentence? No. Yeah, no is what? Mental or sense verb? Mental verb. We cannot use present perfect continuous. Okay? Instead, we have to use PPS. They haven't known each other for very long. Okay. The huge difference is in the format. PPS apa format dia? It's, pay attention eh? Has, have, last, past, participle. Yang ni has, have, last, D, last, verb, ing. Okay, let me explain PPS. Has, have, plus past participle. Zain, what is past participle? Give me an example. What is past participle? Zaidan, you look so sleepy. What is the past participle for break? Okay, past participle is the third form. Break. Break. Past tense. Broke. Okay, past participle. Yes. PP is broken. They have the third form of verb. Okay. Zaidan, give me the past participle for no. Okay, no. 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 Tahu. Okay, no. Okay, past tense for no. Zaidan.
Louder.
Past tense for no.
Ni ada N kan?
Past tense. Okay, and what?
Dia got E.
Huh?
Dia got E.
Very good. New. Okay, what about the past participle? For new. Known. Very good. Okay, I want to ask you sleepy here. Where is sleepy? Girls,
Yes.
any volunteers? Okay, Safra.
Ni.
Give me the past tense and past participle for work. Work. Ed plus ed, right? Okay. Past participle. Past participle for work. Huh? Very good. The same as past tense. Work. Work. Plus ed, why? Because there are two types of verb, regular and irregular. This is irregular. This is
Regular.
Yes. Again, the difference is regular, past tense and past participle is
Sama.
yes, same. Irregular, you need Yes. Nampak? Kita tahu. Kita tahu. Bila kita duduk sama kan, kita boleh berubah. Sekejap, past tense satu kali itu, kita berubah. Okay? If you have any questions, you can ask. Remember which one you cannot use for PPC?
Bantu apa? But remember.
How many dengan how often? How many and how often? Oh, video tadi ya? Is it a video?
Or how often? Rain.
Oh, okay. How many, how often? Okay. I'm going to ask more on the right side instead of the video. Okay, so what I explained just now. Okay, baik. Jawab pilih. I need 16 of you. Ten girls, 6 boys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depan aja, depan aja.
Okay, for the quiz. Okay, for the quiz, I need you to line up here. Have you played quizzes before? Yes? Yeah. Quizzes. Have you heard of it before? You will use my computer, and then my laptop, and then you will line up here. You have 45 seconds to click on the answer. You cannot discuss with your friends. Yes, there will be 4 options given. So choose the correct one. And there are two questions you have to type in it. You have to write the answer. The answers are very simple. You know what? Okay. It's okay. I will get mad. But I will teach you. Okay, 2 more minutes. Should I just where you going? Okay, ready? No? Not yet. No question for the boys. You have mastered this grammar.
Dia.
I'll do the government.
Hah?
4 fingers are pointing back at you.
Yes. Nah, gini. Nah.
I'm pointing at you. I am pointing at you.
Ini kamu.
Ah.
Ini.
Yeah, cannot. You have to use TV. What is one? I have been thinking of buying
Yang mana tuasnya?
Thinking should be your mental work. Can you decide which one of you to do? Then 6. Decide. Very good question. Call it as dynamic verb. Think itu adalah dynamic verb, which can be both static and also active verb. That's why we can put static and also active verb. I have been thinking, you are actively thinking. If that is action, is that the action? Very good. Come on. Your friend just now asked me. Very good. Very good question to go. Baik. Can you sit down? Okay, thank you. Okay. See, let's take a look at this. I have been thinking about buying a new laptop. My question: what is the verb here?
Thinking.
Thinking. Okay, thinking. If you think about it, thinking is a mental process verb, right?
Yeah.
But why can it be used meaning of the sentence. Okay? Action of thinking. Kalau setakat you have opinion kan, I think she is rude. Itu adalah statement. Itu opinion saja. Awak tak actively thinking. Okay, ready? Stand for the girls. Apa? Can I choose?
Yes.
Can I choose?
Yes.
How many balls are here? 9. I want 6. Pak E, of course. Pak E. Oh, ada kan? Okay, ada. Ada. You fight. Pak E, you fight. 12.
Zain.
Okay, the girl choose Zain.
Ya.
Mia, choose you. Okay, can you please come to the front? Queue up here. Please queue up. No, meet up. Go to the front first. Who else? Who else? No, I want volunteers. At the back. At the back. I miss my stick. Come to the front, Zain. You front. Queue at the front, please. Now, march. Sakwai. Okay, Sakwai, you have been chosen. To the front. Okay, Saki Sabal, girls, help me. Cia, Alina. Come on now. Aina. Do you want? Zaidan.
Kena cari je.
Wake up. Go.
Kena cari je. Cari. Siapa lagi je?
Oh, one more person.
Je.
I cut.
Hati je.
Go to the front.
Apa benda?
Yakin. 6. Right. Okay. 6. Come on. Okay, go. Stand up you.
Tengah lagi. Tengah lagi. Ije. Dekat ni tengah lagi.
Sina.
Ije. Listen. Je dekat je tengah je. Ije.
Betul lah sana.
Minta lah.
At least volunteers from each line.
Ije aku nak pergi je.
Okay. Okay, stand in work.
Je aku nak pergi je. Nama.
Okay, go. Boy, come on, go. Zain, bangun. Stand up. Go to the front. We're running out of time.
Boleh je. Meja lekat.
Sampai bila?
Meja lekat je.
Woi, kamu je. Betul.
Come on. 3, 4.
Ya, satu sebut tadi. Go. Move it. Yeay, walas.
Walas ah.
Okay, come on, girls. Nampak? Okay.
Baik,
You
ada.
still have to queue in the back. Come on, wait. Kailina,
Katakan dulu, itu rata dah boleh dah bipang ni. Apa bipang ni je? Apa kita meretang kita belakang. Eish. Alu, kalau kau dengar tu. Akin.
Kita semua satu.
Okay, let's see which questions you got wrong. Tadi ada siapa tadi? The answer for format PPS. But you wrote completed. Who was it? You. What is the correct format? Has, have, plus. Very good. Okay, let's see. Review question. Okay. And then which sentence indicates ongoing? I have been writing ongoing is PPC. This is the format for PPC. Have been verb plus ing. Saya not verbing, belakang
Yes.
It's verb plus ing, not verbing.
Kau je.
What does I've thought about buying a laptop? I've been thinking about it. Oh, very good. Verb of collective process. Okay, betul. Have you heard the news? Very good. They have heard. So which sentence is correct? Why we cannot use BPC for this sentence? Yeah, what is the stative verb? You cannot see. They haven't known each other for very long. Known is the stative verb, or what we call as mental. Okay, ongoing action, very good. I have finished my homework. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, which of following is a verb or sentence? Let's have your who answers this? Who answers it? Something. Is it Shifa?
Yes.
Verb or sentence? Sentence we have? How many sentences do we have? Five. What is it?
Gimana?
Five. What is it? Days. Year. See.
Touch.
Very good. Sentence. Main focus. We talk about grammar today. Okay. Correct. Okay, that's it. Happening. No, verbing. It's verb plus ing. Ini salah. Format for PPS. Has, have, plus past participle. Very good. Okay, since you can answer the quiz, this is your next word. Hello. Answer question A only. A only. Yes.
Last 40, the last 40.
I know. Yes, A only. Finish. What verb is finished? What you so you cannot use BBC. You cannot use BBC. Who's upset? Tanya Adam Zafrin.
Yes.
Can you give it to them?
Don't know.
They are your friends. Yes, Adam. Your friend, you give to Adam. Zafrin? Tanya. Give it to Tanya. Why is it?
Ulang.
Nope, not yet.
Ah, boleh. Press. Macam mulai je. Please.
This is not mathematics.
Ah, sorry.
You don't need to count. I'm not finished. Why?
Sebab
No. Okay, finish is what? Good.
Pancu.
Very good. Master good. So you cannot use
PVC.
Very good. This is PVC, so ada B. Okay? Use PVC.
JC aja.
You done?
Yeah. That's so pretty je. Pretty. Testing.
If you want notes, you can ask.
No.
The girls. Okay? They wrote notes about this topic. Okay?
Got it. Burger, I want to
Okay, since time's up. So this is your I can see you on
Thursday.
Oh,
Tulah.
Thursday. Okay,
Bangun. Allah selamatkan kami.
Nak pusing tengok saya.
Zoom.
Cari.